What's up, you guys? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you guys this bomb ponytail I did on myself. And let me give you guys a little disclaimer: I am not a pro, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not none of that, and I struggled in this video. You guys are gonna see. I'm not gonna really edit the part of me struggling because I feel like it's life. This is my first time doing this on myself, so bear with me. I'll definitely be doing this hairstyle again, but not anytime soon after I take this out. But yeah, I love this ponytail, and it was very affordable. I only paid $15 for the hair. It is not all human hair, it's human and synthetic hair, so I'm able to put a hot comb through it or the flat iron or whatever. But it is gonna get frizzy after a while, but I don't planning on leaving it in for too long. Make sure you guys comment down below and tell me if you guys want to see more hair videos or any type of videos that you guys want me to do. Just let me know down in the comment, and thank you guys so much for subscribing and for liking and commenting. Hope you enjoy. So you guys, I am working on freshly washed and blow dried hair. This is as straight as I can get my hair. I have 4C textured hair. Now I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts so that it is easier when flat ironing. So this is the first section of hair that I'm going to be working on. I am going to be using my Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Flat Iron. I just got this not too long ago, and this is my first time trying it. So I'm going to put it on the setting 45 or 42, I believe. Before flat ironing my hair, I used the Argan Oil Heat Protectant and I sprayed it all over. So my facial expressions when I'm doing my hair is just ridiculous. So I've just separated that piece into an even smaller piece to start with. I wanted to do this in small sections, so I only have to run through my hair one time. Y'all, I need a trim so bad. The last time I had a trim was literally last year. I need to get one ASAP, but now I'm moving on to the next side of my head. So I separated my hair from the top and the bottom, and now I'm spraying my free spray and using the blow dry on hot air to mold my hair down. Now that I have got my hair as flat as I want it, I put it in a rubber band, and I'm going to start to do the same thing to the top of my head. Alright, here I felt like my part was a little too far back, so I'm trying to push some of the hair back so that my part is shorter, if that makes any sense. If you guys are doing this, make sure you mold your hair how you want it the first time before you put the free spray, because it's going to be very hard to comb it out after. My hair is now molded to my liking, so I'm going to connect this to the bottom half of my hair. I pulled out some of my edges so that I can slick them down with edge control. To tie my hair down, I'm just going to use a piece of wrap strips, and next we are going to get to braiding the ponytail. So after I braided the ponytail, I used the wrap strip to cover up my hair so that I will not be gluing on my hair. And this is where I messed up. I did not secure the wrap strip to the braid, meaning I didn't put any rubber bands. I just put glue on it and secured the ends. And you guys are gonna see that the wrap strip starts falling off the braid, so I had to redo this all over again. Now I'm securing the end of the wrap strip with a rubber band, and I'm going to also glue the ends down. Now I'm going to start putting glue on the wefts of the hair and wrapping it around. This is also not all human hair, it is human and synthetic. I'm also going to be using my blow dryer to help the glue dry down a little faster. And I'm just going to do this until I get to the top. So at this point I was kind of over it. My hands were getting really tired, so I asked my mom to help me out to finish the rest, and I also took a piece of hair from the back of the ponytail to wrap around the tracks so that you cannot see them. So you guys, this is how the ponytail turned out. I really like how it came out, even though it kind of took me a long time and I made a few mistakes, but next time I do it, I know how to fix my mistakes. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.